box. Deacon, over the other side!
So today's operation is all about targeting robberies and snatches that are committed on mopeds, Surrons and e-bikes. We are a TPAC unit, which means tactical pursuit and containment.
Box.
Our role is to bring pursuits to an end to protect the public.
Box.
We know the public are fed up with this type of criminality, which is why we have been using robust tactics to tackle this head on. We are also fitted with ANPR to locate and arrest wanted offenders, stolen cars, which we know matter to the public.
Lead vehicle take over, stand by. MP, you got Interceptor 312, lead vehicle.
We also have the benefit of having a police dog with us. They have a general purpose dog, which will be there deployable for any decamps after a pursuit or any foot chases that we may have. And we also have a drugs dog with us today, so they'll be utilised to search vehicles for any secret hides to sniff out any drugs.